Today on Discharge Networks we're doing a quick unboxing of the UGREEN car mount, a gravity phone holder for your car. While it might not be the most interesting or tech-heavy product, it still holds our tech, and it's important that it's stable, it looks good and functional. So, what's in the box? Stick around and find out. Well, given it's a budget product, it's a quite simple unboxing experience. Inside of the packaging we get a few promo papers as well as the product itself. It works on this really simple mechanism. When you pull down, the sides close in, and when you pull it out, the sides retract and release your phone. Quite simple. And it doesn't break, it doesn't need any special power, although we would have liked to have seen it do wireless charging or something of the like, but then you'd have extra wires and of course the added cost. Well, this has been a quick unboxing of the UGREEN car mount. Thanks for watching and stick around for the next one.